Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to explain how to obtain your Steam Web API key. So to get your API key, you must meet certain requirements. You need to have Steam Guard and an authenticator set up on your account. To check it, you need to go ahead and first log into your Steam account. Click on your name in the top right corner of your screen. On the left, select Security and Devices. Ensure that Mobile Guard Authenticator is active. And another thing is that you must have spent at least $5 on your Steam account. Once these requirements are met, you can follow the steps. So go ahead and navigate to a community. At the top of the Steam page, click on Community. Copy the URL in the top. Open a web browser, paste it here. And after community.com/ type in Dave/API key and hit enter in your keyboard. So if your requirements are met, this will take you to a registration page of API key. You need to provide your domain name in the designated field, agree to the terms and conditions, click on register, and confirm on Steam Guard. You need to open the Steam application, tap on the 3 lines in the bottom right and select confirmations, authorize the developer key, and this page will reload and your API key will be displayed. Remember to keep this key private. You can highlight it, right click on it, and select copy. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.